Submerge, a truth revealed. Submerge, the manipulator of water, lives in the peaceful state of Alaska, watching over the Bering Sea, making sure all the seamen are safe on their crab boats. Using his speed swimming, he can cover all the 7 oceans, preventing drownings and sinking ships. He makes sure that there's no oil spills from the oil rigs. When a tsunami or tidal wave approaches shore, he contains it and merges the wave back with the ocean. He's the savior of the seas. He resides in Alaska with his best friends Frank and Justin. They assist him on land when there are fires. With Justin's intelligence, he invents tools to assist them. In their matching uniforms, he adds a gadget that fits in the palm of their hands. This device shoots out like a fire extinguisher, but it's more powerful and lasts 20 times longer. Their uniforms are fireproof, with the only notable difference in their uniforms are the eye shades. Justin's is red while Frank's is white. He also created robot braces in the entire suit. This allows them strength like Captain America. They can jump higher, run faster, and hit harder. It also allows them to take hits harder and get back up. On this day, though, they both won't be getting up that fast. For you see, Voltage decides to show his face after breaking out of prison, and he's out for vengeance. Frank is flying the helicopter over the Bering Sea. Justin as the crane operator and Zael as a swimmer make the perfect team. This is how they used to do things. But now that Zael has powers, he secretly uses it to rescue people. If they think he's submerged, he uses his powers to make it look like someone's in the water swimming away from them fast. A crab boat is hailing a mayday call. Frank, Justin, and Zael are on their way to the scene. The sky is blue and free of clouds. The waves are massive. But what's new with the Bering Sea? Frank sees the crab boat ahead. There's a giant hole in the hull.